Is your garage door making more noise than usual or moving in a jerky, unpredictable manner? Chances are it's due to worn rollers. These are critical components that allow your door to glide smoothly along its tracks, and when they wear out or get damaged, they can cause a lot of inconveniences. Not only is this annoying, but it can also be a sign of potential failure, putting your vehicle and safety at risk. Don't let a faulty garage door disrupt your day. If you're in the Calderwood area and need professional, reliable garage door repair, call us today at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to restore the smooth operation of your garage door quickly and efficiently. Call now and ensure your garage door works perfectly when you need it most.